Have you ever spent hours tweaking your SEO strategies only to watch your website rankings barely budge? I know how frustrating it can be, feeling like you're stuck while competitors seem to shoot straight to the top of Google. That's exactly where Rank Ninja comes in. Let me show you how this powerful tool can take your SEO game from zero to hero. Rank Ninja isn't just another SEO tool. It's your one-stop solution for crushing your competitors, boosting organic traffic, and making data-driven decisions effortlessly. Whether you're a blogger, small business owner, or digital marketer, this tool combines everything you need to dominate your niche. Let's dive into some of the standout features. First, the competitor tracker. This is a goldmine. You can spy on your competitors, track their backlinks, keyword strategies, and even their ad campaigns. Imagine knowing exactly what's working for them so you can do it even better. And here's my favorite, the SEO Keyword Finder. It doesn't just spit out keywords, it gives you the ones that are easy to rank for, but highly profitable. Perfect if you want to get noticed without a big budget. Here's what makes Rank Ninja truly stand out. It delivers results. Take a look at this. I ran a test campaign for a niche site, and within just a few weeks, I saw traffic jump by over 300%. The actionable insights it provides aren't just fancy metrics, they work. And here's the kicker. While most SEO tools charge hefty monthly fees, Rank Ninja is incredibly affordable, offering everything you need at a one-time price. No recurring costs, no surprises, just solid results. Plus, there's a no-questions-asked money-back guarantee. It's literally risk-free to try it out. So, if you're ready to stop guessing and start ranking, Rank Ninja is your answer. Whether you're new to SEO or a seasoned expert, this tool is designed to make your life easier and your strategies smarter. The link is in the description. Check it out and take control of your rankings today. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your biggest SEO challenge? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews like this one.